This is the Belgian blue cow, and this is a real picture, by the way. This cow is freakishly muscular because there is a loss of function gene mutation where myostatin isn't expressed. You might have heard of proteins called cytokines, which are proteins that are messengers between cells, typically in immune responses, like cellular growth and cellular division. Well, there are also these proteins called myokines, which act as communicators between the muscles and other organs, regulating metabolism, muscle growth, other bodily functions, and myostatin is one of those. So myostatin is produced by muscle cells, and its role is to inhibit muscle growth. And this is actually a good thing. Your heart's a muscle. You don't want your heart to get too big, and you really don't want your skeletal muscle getting too big. Muscle's really expensive on the body, and also, like, it's gonna immobilize you to get too big. Like, that Belgian cow is too big for its own good. But you also don't want too little of muscle mass. Skeletal muscle is important for stability, mobility, just overall general strength so you don't end up breaking a hip. It can be the organ that can store the most blood sugar if you build up your muscle enough. And most importantly, it's important for metabolic health and resilience against illnesses if you're immunocompromised or you're suffering from a chronic condition like cancer. So, in the cases of preserving muscle mass, we have Regeneron working on a myostatin inhibitor, and it's called trevogrumab. And they're also studying it alongside the GLP-1 agonist medication semaglutide, considering one of the main focal points of that medication is helping patients lose weight, specifically adipose tissue. The problem is that these patients can also end up experiencing sarcopenia, which is losing muscle mass. So, if we're taking a GLP-1 agonist medication alongside a myostatin inhibitor medication, it looks like we can lose adipose tissue while preserving muscle mass. Cool. So yeah, we're developing a way to gain muscle and lose fat at the same time. But if you're a bodybuilder, just hold your horses. Or should I say, hold your cattle.